By default, Office is configured to install updates automatically. However, there may be times when you want to check for updates immediately, like when you're troubleshooting a problem with Office. Here's how to check for updates in Office 2016. These steps will also work for Office 2013. First, open any Office app. We'll use Word. Select File, and then Account. Under Product Information, select Update Options, and then Update Now. When the updates are complete, or if there are no updates available, you'll see the message, "You're up to date." If you didn't see the option to update Office now, it's probably because updates were turned off. You can fix this by selecting Update Options and then Enable Updates. From here, you can select Update Options again and then select Update Now. Learn more at support.office.com.